Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2007 TB CX-9 Mazda Luxury. This shape ran from the 12th month 2007 to the 12th month 2015. This vehicle is fitted with a J275 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine. We have right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand headlight, left hand fog light. We have the bonnet. Left front guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 20-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. Left-hand power door mirror. We have the left-hand front door, left-hand rear door. Factory 20-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Left tail light garnish. Tailgate has a tidy rear bumper cover with tow bar cutout. Right hand garnish. Right hand tail light. Factory 20-inch alloy mag wheels. Right rear has a good tyre. Right rear door. We have the right front door. Right hand power door mirror. Right front guard appears to have no damage. Factory 20-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with factory black leather interior. Has a tidy center console lid. Tidy automatic transmission center console. Tidy automatic transmission gear stick. Factory AC climate control. Factory 6-stack CD player. Interior mirror. Has a tidy left-hand sun visor. Courtesy light with sunglass holder. Tidy right-hand sun visor. Automatic transmission instrument cluster. We have the driver's door power window master switch. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.